This n8n automation finds viral reels from your competition, extract them, then write content for you based on those viral reels. Let's see how it works. Step 1 is to get data of viral reels from your competition. After extracting the viral reels from your competition, we will generate a transcript of those videos and analyze the pattern of why this reel is going viral. After extracting those pattern, we will simply save those things in the database. After that, we will ask LLM analyze these videos or titles or transcript and tell me 10 viral ideas I can make. Okay. After that, it will generate 10 ideas. For those 10 ideas, we will write script and save in Google Drive. After that, we will simply mail ourselves those script and we can check those script and start recording. Step 1 is defining your direct competition. So I have created this Google Sheet which I will share with you. You can simply copy this and alter the values. Okay. You define their Instagram handle and profile. This is extra. You can skip this part. Then after that, you need to define your niche. For example, my niche is automation and n8n. So I have defined those. Okay. Now, what our n8n will do is it will get the competition. After getting the competition, it will loop through the competition and get their real data. Okay. After getting the real data, it will see which reel performed really well. That's why we have this sort function, which will get likes count in descending order. More, it will be upper. Okay. After getting that, we will limit uh, the list to 5. Like I will get top 5 most liked videos of my competition. Then I will wait because we don't want to hit rate limiting from Epify. Epify is the scraper we are using to get real data. Then we will save everything in the Google Sheets and it will appear here in this sheet. Let's run this part and see what we get. Okay. So as you can see, we have scraped the top videos of our competition and it is all here. So initially it got 20 videos. You can increase the limit. This is 40 because we have 2 creators. You can increase the limit to 30. That is what this scraper allows. You can have maximum of 30 reels scraped in a row. 30 there is. I'm using Instagram Reel Scraper by Epify and it is a paid service, but when you sign up for Epify, you get $5 credit each month. So you can get by it for free. Okay. We have got the top performing videos. Now what we will do, we have already stored this in database of sheets. Now we will analyze those videos. We will download the reel, then create a transcript of the reel, then ask a chat GPT to tell us what was the winning factor for this reel as well as whether this video is relevant for our niche or not. Okay. Then we will store all those winning videos in our niche in Pinecone database. Let's see how it works. Okay, so it has analyzed all 10 videos. I will show you what the real content was. So here's an automation that you can sell to plumber for 600 every month. So this was the n8n automation by Hamza. Now, after analyzing this, what it did, it basically made a score as well as the reason why it might be relevant to us. Okay, so this is the first video. So the reel describes the detailed business process automation that aligns with AI automation expert of the niche. While n8n is not directly mentioned in the reel, it could be relevant. Okay, so it had mentioned that it has given us a relevancy score of 85% and our threshold is somewhere like 70 or 80% and the status is relevant. Okay, so it filter out the relevant videos. Okay, the video is relevant. After filtering out the videos, it is saved in Pinecone DB. So those of you who don't know Pinecone, Pinecone is a database for your LLM. When we have larger context, like for example, we have 10 transcript, you can't give those 10 transcript in one prompt to AI agent. Okay, that's why we store all this thing into Pinecone. Pinecone is a AI agent database in a simple term. Okay, so you can simply create a Pinecone account and you get a one free database. So you will be good to go for free year like Epify. you have to create an index. For example, I have given it viral reel data. Then you have to set up, okay, this is the important step. Okay, you have to set dimension as 1536. 1536 is will be the dimension, because you have to match the dimension in the transcriber of the reel. This thing will also match the, okay, no, this embedding part has to match. So text embedding 3 small from OpenAI. This is the basically format to be stored in the database, AI database. Okay, this model gives this dimension. So this two have to match, or else you will get errors. Okay, just a caution, because I wasted 1 or 2 hours behind this. Okay, now everything is stored in database where our LLM or AI agent can reference this winning videos now. Okay, let's move to other thing. Okay, also I have this transcripting agent attached with a structured output. What is a structured output? Basically, I have designed I have defined a JSON schema, and it states my output will be status, relevant score, reason, nothing else, because ChatGPT or AI agent have this bad habit of giving us extra commentaries. We don't want that. We just want the JSON because we need to extract some data. So this output parcel help us in that. Okay. I have also set up this retry on fail. If it does not give us a proper JSON, we will retry 3 times. If it does not happen 3 times, we will just skip this. Okay, let's move to the interesting part of idea generation now. Oh, can you please go there again? Okay, yes. Let's see how idea generation work now. So I'm generating the ideas right now, but you can see it is using this vector database from Pinecone to get the context. Okay, that's why I'm using this Pinecone to store large amount of data which my AI agent can use afterwards. Okay, now it is generating ideas based off those vectors. Okay, after generating the ideas, it will make a JSON out of those and save this in Google Sheet, which will appears here. New real idea, new viral ideas. So the n8n has created the ideas, so you can check the ideas. Stop wasting time on repetitive tasks. You won't believe these automation hacks. Imagine not answering email at all. So these are really good hooks. This will stop the viewer and make them want to listen more. Okay, it has also defined few other things. If I can show you, it has defined the main angle, then a core message, transform boring tasks into automated workflows. CTA, like try and attend today. You can alter this thing. These are the extras, but the important thing is the title, the hook, and the main angle and the core message. By the way, you can get this entire n8n's workflow in the description. Check them out. It's for free. Okay. Now let's move to script generation part. All right. So it has created a script for the automate your daily task. If I can show you, let me zoom it. Okay, so it has mentioned the title, hook, main angle, core message, CTA, performance. So this is the expected performance. It is high. That means the chances of going this video viral is high. Okay, then it has given 3 things, like visual, that will be your B roll or A roll, then your voiceover, what you will be speaking, and then text on the video. For example, stop wasting time on repetitive tasks, automate in 30 seconds, that will be text on the screen. And you see, does this look like your daily grind? And it has a visual of personal manually entering data into a spreadsheet. So this is the entire script which is generated on autopilot by this n8n workflow, and it is really good. Okay, now let's move forward, and it will simply email us the whole thing onto our email now. This is an important step I have done here, that deleting vector docs. The reason why I did is because when you rerun this workflow again and again, it will keep storing the repeated data, and we don't want that. Let's say in some example, we change our niche, we change our competition, it will still have data from our previous niche and competition. So we delete the vector docs because we do not want the previous context. We want the latest context, which will be stored by this step of the flow. Okay, so I have ran the entire thing and I have received this real script generated email which contains the list of 10 reels which is generated for me, including the title, hook, niche, date, and the action to view the script. And this will open the script which was generated. Okay, so that was the whole thing. This was the whole system where you can scrape your competitor data, analyze the winning pattern, based on the winning pattern compose the viral ideas, then compose entire script for that idea, and get those ideas in your mail where you can simply view and start recording. I hope this video give you insight how you can build such systems of viral content machine. If you so, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave the comment about how you feel about this video, where I can improve or what should I make next. With that, I will see you next one. Bye bye.